All right, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to show you how to upload new contacts. So let's kind of get started with that. Let me share my screen so you can see. Share here, and hopefully you can see that. Let me also make myself a little bit bigger. Something like this, so you can see it all. So uploading new contacts is very simple, and simply you do not go in a contacts and upload them in there. This is your archive, and when you log in, you navigate to the segment. Let's just hide this. So you go to the segment and you create a new. In this case, I'm just going to call this one upload the new contacts. I already put it in, but can be any list you want. Let's say this is going to be my first list. You can name this as you like. So you simply save as apply. And as you can see, says it has been created, and then you save and close. And then you go back on a segment, you see the list is created, but there is no contact. You simply hit where it says no contact, and then you go to this little gear icon here, and here you can see it says import leads. Is a little bit different than the other. You simply, again, do not change anything in here. It's auto-selected. This is 100 email will be processed at one go. You simply choose file. As we can see in here, I have quite a lot of file. Let me just get a small file here so I can show you. And in this case, let's just get one of those. And this is small segment. So I'm just going to open up. As you can see, I selected that, and you simply hit upload. And here you still have two options, and I highly recommend you make sure that this is only visible, obviously, to you. If you want your team to see it as well, you can switch that on. And obviously, you match the fields that is on CSV file. First, we're just going to choose my name. And we're going to choose that segment, which is we created the first list. And in here, we're going to select match the email field, but the new CSV could be more. And in this case, you can utilize both. But in here, as you can see, it's much better. Then you don't need to basically keep your browser open, especially if list is very big. But in this case, I'm going to show you in the browser, but and when, like I mentioned, lists are big, always use import in the background in case your internet drops and everything else. But in this case, I'm going to do it in a browser so you can see how things works. So it's going on now, and it will read, as you can see, is process 100 email at a time, and at the same time is obviously verifies the emails. And you just give yourself a little bit of time in here, and as you can see, it's already done, and it says no data found, which is great because I already have cleaned this list. And now if we go back on our segments here, as you can see, now we have that already ready in here and it's uploaded. So now you're ready for next stage, which is will be creating email and sending email to this contacts, and that's what I will do next for you guys. But when you are warming up your system, is a little bit different. You don't want to send this many emails at one go in the day one. Just follow the image that we give you, and in this case will be basically just one email that in this new site that I will be sending, and I can use this as a basically my archive for the emails that I send. I can go in here and change the list name, say this is basically archives, for example. I'm here, I can go edit, and I can edit my name. I will say this is my starter archive, and then apply and save and close. So now I have this archive of emails. As we can see, now the name changed, And the way that you can do that, now we're going to create another segment, for example, especially this is for you guys that's starting new. So I'm just going to create a new one. And this one I'm going to say email one, day one, or day one, email one, vice versa. So you don't get confused. You simply, again, apply save and close. And now we want some leads on this here from that archive. So you go back again on your segment, and in here you can see you can click on it. And now I just want to move one single contact to this basically new segment, and I'm just going to select this one, and then we're going to basically go to this three dots here. As you can see, you can remove it and things like that if you're not happy with that. And you go to the top one, you go really this top box here. You just can select more, as you can see in here. But you don't want to do that because they'll select a lot, and do not make that mistake. Just select one and then go to this three dots here, and then you see, and here says change segment, and we're going to choose a day one email. We're going to add this, and we're going to remove it from my basically this start archive, as you can see in here, and then you just simply save. And now if we go back on segments, now you can see on here for day one I have one single email, and is ready for me to send that email to it, which is we will on next video make a email and send it to this. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.